Hello. In this one, what I'm going to do is show you very quickly how to create a fancy looking QR code very quickly, very easily using AI and some other tools. But before I do continue, please like, subscribe and share. You've seen lots of businesses, organizations use QR codes to advertise their business, to signpost users to click on the QR code, and that will either take them to their website, their YouTube channel, their other promotional social media accounts which they may have. Let me open up the Word document with the link on it. So if I copy this link, go into Google Chrome or any web browser, paste that link in, right? It will open up my YouTube channel, but the only difference is it's going to open up the YouTube channel name with the pop-up here asking the user whether they want to subscribe or not. So I'm trying to direct users to subscribe to my channel through the QR code. So I've got that link copied. I'm going to go over to ChatGPT, which is opened up here. I've pasted the link in here. Before it, I'm going to ask the question here. Can you create a QR code for this? Okay, for this link. Alright, so it's going to go away. It's going to search the web. It may come back with some step-by-step guides on how to do this. Fine, and it has done so. It's given me a step-by-step guide on how to create my own QR code, so I can use different tools. One's QR Code Monkey, the other one's Adobe Express, the other one's Canva, the other one's the QR code generator, the other one is called the QR stuff, and it's giving you instructions on how to do this on each of them. It's also giving you an option on how to do this using your mobile app, and it's got some tips here for you as well. But again, I want ChatGPT to create this. So here in the prompt, I'm going to ask it, can you not just create this? So it's going away, it's analyzing the information, and hopefully in a second, if it's done as it's told, it's going to come back with the QR code. So here it is. Here's your QR code for your YouTube channel. So it's also asked whether I want to make it more fancy, example with colors, or your channel logo in the middle. I'll do this one in a second, but I'm just going to test it by downloading it. So it's downloaded the QR code at the moment. Here it is. It's going to open it up. It's a PNG. I'm going to get my phone out. You can't see this, but I'm going to use my phone just to test whether the QR code works or not. I'm going to open up the camera app. Brilliant. And it's taking me to the YouTube channel, which is great. So that's the first thing which we've done. We've just created a simple QR code for our channel. So I'm going to exit this. I'm going to ask it, can you make it more fancy? Add my channel logo to the middle. I have attached this to. Okay, so I'm going to add the channel logo, which I've already saved, which is this, my RA Solutions channel logo. I've added that. That's my prompt, and I'm going to click on this, and it's going to go away, and I'm hoping it's going to add the channel logo to the middle of the QR code. So it's analyzing the information, it's putting everything together. So I'm just going to, there you go, wait for it. And here it's got an option to download the QR code with the logo. So it's downloading the QR code. There you go. So it's added a nice red color. It's added the logo to the middle, which is great. So let me just test this to see if this works. There we go. And it's worked beautifully well. It's taking me on my phone, trust me, to my website. Okay, so what I'm going to do now, this downloaded QR code is already downloaded on my device. What I'm going to do, again, you can take this further. You can say, can you make a version, before I continue, with rounded edges and a gradient color? Let's have a look what it does this time before I move on. Okay, so it's going away, doing what it needs to do. And this is ChatGPT 5 I'm using. You can use a free version to do this as well. I've got the pro version. I just need to make that clear. So there we go. So it's downloaded. Let's download the gradient QR code. And let's open it up there. And that's a better QR code actually. And that's the one I'm going to use for the next bit. So let's see how you can use this in your business organization material. So I'm going to go over to Canva. So what I've got here is my business card. So I've got RA Solutions CEO, made up phone number, made up email address, made up address. I've got my logo here, and on page 2 is where I want the logo, the QR code to appear, as well as the logo. So I'm going to go to uploads here, go to upload file, go to downloads. Here it is. Click on the file here, click on open, and it's uploading the file there. Once it's uploaded, drag it across. Simply, there you go. That's your QR code added. So this first way, I've shown you how to add a QR code or how to generate a QR code with Canva. I'm going to show you another way now. I'm going to show you how to generate the QR code within Canva if you've got a Canva account. So I'm going to hop over to Canva. I've done a search in Google for Canva's free and easy QR code generator. It's taken me to this page here. I'm going to click on generate a QR code like this, and it's going to take me to this page, and it's going to open up this pop-up to say whether you want to use that QR code in an existing design or in a new design. I'm just, for the purpose of this video, I'm just going to click on in a new design. So click on new design, click on custom size. Actually, I'm going to click on doc, and then it's going to open up a blank document, but here it's going to ask for a URL, and I guess it's going to generate a QR code from that URL. So I'm going to go back to that Word document. Here's the link I want it to generate the QR code from. Click on copy, go in here, right click, paste, and then I'm going to click on generate code. But before I do that, I'm going to click on customize. So the background color is going to be white, foreground color black. I'm going to leave everything as is. Click on generate. So it's gone away and just very quickly is generated a QR code for me I can use. And the same way as I did previously, if I wanted to keep that, I'm going to test it. There you go, and that works beautifully. I've tested it on my phone, it works fine. And again, with this, you can save this, share, download, save it as a PDF or a docx file. So there you have it. But the main thing in this video, that was something extra I wanted to show you, is showing you how to save or how to create a QR code within ChatGPT for you. So here with ChatGPT, I've just realized it's asked me, do you want me to also create a YouTube style version, white background with bold red QR patterns for a cleaner printed look? I'm going to click on yes to see what it does generate. So it's going away, it's generating something for me. Let's see what it brings back with. So here we go. So let's download this. So it's downloading. Here we go. Let's click on it. There you go. So that's another version of the QR code. Looks very similar, to be fair. The other one I think looked better. So going back to my business card, that was the gradient version. That's the one I've used. Again, it's saved that as a PNG in your downloads area, and you can use it on any of your organizational documents. So that's a quick and easy video showing you how to generate a QR code, A, with ChatGPT, and B, as a bit of an extra, I've shown you how to use it, how to create one using Canva's free QR code generator. I hope this video has helped you. Please like, subscribe, and share.